Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging MDAct MCQs to sharpen your biology knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is which of the following muscle is a part of hamstring group? A. Rectus femoris, B. Biceps femoris, C. Medialis, and D. Stertorius. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is the human skills consist of how many bones? A. 22, B. 24, C. 26, and D. 22. 28. So the correct option is B. The human skull consists of 22 bones. The next MCQ is which conditions result from the inflammation of the bursa? A. Tendinitis, B. Bursitis, C. Myositis, and D. Arthritis. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is what type of bone is the patella? A. Long bone, B. Short bone, C. Flat bone, and D. Sesamoid bone. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is the primary minor stored and bones is A. Potassium, B. Sodium, C. Calcium, D. Phosphorus. So the correct option is C. Calcium. The next MCQ is which part of the skull system provides the main structure support for the body? A. Axial skeleton, B. Appendicular skeleton, C. Cartilaginous skeleton, and D. Muscular skeleton. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which of the following is a type of synovial joint? A. Suture, B. Syndesmosis, C. Symphysis, D. Ball and socket joint. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is which of the following muscle is involved in the movement of the shoulder? A. Tricep brachii, B. Bicep brachii, C. Deltoid, and D. Pectoral major. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is what type of tissue is the human skeleton initially composed of during early fetal development? A. Bone, B. Cartilage, C. Muscles, D. Ligament. So the correct option is B. Cartilage. The next MCQ is which protein is primarily responsible for the elasticity of muscle fibers? A. Actin, B. Myosin, C. Keratin, and D. Troponin. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which bone is the largest and strongest bone in the human body? A. Humerus, B. Femur, C. Tibia, and D. Pelvis. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which part of a long bone is responsible for growth in length? A. Diaphysis, B. Epiphysis, C. Metaphysis, and D. Periosteum. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which type of joint allows for rotational movement? A. Hang movement, B. Ball and socket joint, C. Pivot joint, and D. Saddle joint. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which type of muscle fiber contains the most mitochondria? A. Type 1, B. Type 2A, C. Type 2B, and D. Type 3. So the correct option is type 1. The next MCQ is which bone forms the forehead? A. Parietal bone, B. Temporal bone, C. Frontal bone, and D. Occipital bone. So the correct option is C. Frontal bone. Frontal bone forms the forehead. The next MCQ is which part of the skeleton is the humerus a part of A. Axial skeleton, B. Appendicular skeleton, C. Both axial and appendicular skeleton, D. Neither axial nor appendicular skeleton. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is what type of muscle is found in the wall of hollow organs like the stomach and intestine? A. Skeletal muscle, B. Cardiac muscle, C. Smooth muscle, D. Steroid muscle. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which condition is caused by the buildup of uric acid crystals in the joint? A. Osteoarthritis, B. Rheumatoid arthritis, hematite arthritis, B. Gout, and C. Osteoporosis. So the correct option is C. What structure and the muscle cell stores calcium ion? A. Nucleus, B. Mitochondria, C. Plasmic reticulum, and D. Golgi apparatus. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which type of joint is characterized by a fibrocartilaginous connection? A. Synchondrosis, B. Symphysis, and D. Syndesmosis, and D. Suture. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which muscle is responsible for the movement of the arm? A. Bicep brachii, B. Tricep brachii, D. C. Deltoid, and D. All of the above. So the correct option is D. All of the above. The next MCQ is which of the following structure is not part of the knee joint? A. Femur, B. Tibia, C. Fibula, and D. Patella. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is what is the primary function of yellow bone marrow? A. Produce blood cell, B. Store fat, C. Store calcium, and D. Produce calcium cartilage. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which condition is characterized by softening and weakening of the bones and children, usually due to vitamin D deficiency? A. Osteoporosis, B. Rickets, C. Arthritis, and D. Scurvy. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which bone is located at the upper arm? A. Radius, B. Ulna, C. Humerus, and D. Clavicle. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which of the following is a flat bone? A. Femur, B. Vertebrae, C. Sternum, and D. Tibia. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which muscle is known as the is the calf muscles? A. Quadriceps, B. Hamstring, and D. Gastrocnemius, and mice, and D. Sartorius. The correct option is C. The next MCQ is what type of joint is found at the base of the thumb? A. Hinge joint, B. Ball and socket joint, C. Saddle joint, and D. Pivot joint. So the correct option is C. Saddle joint. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDAct MCQs help you sharpen your biology skills. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.